Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to copy images from Messenger's conversations right to the clipboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin. Most of Messengers allows you to copy images from the conversation to the clipboard to be able to paste that image somewhere. I tested this feature at Inbuilt Messages app, at WhatsApp, at Facebook Messenger and at Telegram Messenger. Let me show you how it works on WhatsApp. So I just opened some conversation that contains a picture inside, and now if I want to copy this picture to the clipboard and send it somewhere, all I have to do is just hold down on this picture. It gives me that options, and from here I can tap at copy to copy this image to the clipboard. Now I can open up any other messenger, let it be Facebook Messenger, then I'm gonna enter some conversation, and right here I can just hit on paste and then hit on send to send the message, the image that I have just copied. In the same way, I can copy image from that conversation. So I can just hold down, hit at more, and then hit at copy to copy that image to the clipboard. Now I can move on to any other messenger, let it be Telegram, and now I can just hit on paste to send the message that I have just copied. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my playlist in the description. There you will find another useful tutorials. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.